Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's prompt is storm. We all know what storm is and what storm looks like. If we have not, anyone among us who's watching have not faced storm, then I must say that you're lucky enough. Because recently in my state of West Bengal in India, we had faced this tremendous storm called Amphan. It was a serious disaster. We have been facing a lot of storms around the world. I still remember that there was this storm in USA named Katrina, and it devastated a lot of the country of USA. And similarly, there have been so many storms like Ayla, Amphan, many. I don't even remember all those names. So what a storm brings is nothing good for sure. It destroys a lot of the economy, a lot of people's livelihood. They get destroyed completely, and it's not something that we want to actually remember. But for an artistic perspective, it definitely looks good because the storm before the storm and times after that, the sky looks tremendous. Like, it's different, but in a good sense actually. As far as artistic thoughts are concerned, nothing else. So this is what I wanted to draw for this drawing. What you see here is a sketch. At first I have sketched a kind of a hut. It's not mandatorily a home. I made it long because it looks like a godown close to the seashore, kind of, because there are coconut trees which are, because of the storm, flooding on the left side, you can see, of the paper. So my idea was to show what a storm would look like, but as it is Inktober and we can only use one ink, it was a bit difficult again, like previous day or the day before, to depict something such such an enormous scale in just one color. So I had to use a lot of water. What water does to black ink is it gives a reddish tone to the color, and that helps bring out or kind of highlight the parts around it. Hence, using water, I started making this kind of a tornado shape on the sky. And once it was done, I just had to highlight everything. So, as I always say, it's just a game of light and shadow. So, that's what I kept on doing for this rest part of the drawing. So I must again explain that all the materials that I'm using here is already mentioned in a separate video. You can go and watch that video of mine. That is the first video of this playlist, and you can check the other videos of the Inktober 2020's playlist. I've got enormous support from all of you guys, and I cannot thank you enough for that. I have got so many comments. I would again request you guys, whoever is listening, whoever is watching, please comment and help me reach out to more people. You guys have been, as I said, you have been a tremendous help for the past few months, in fact, not only weeks. So I have reached few milestones on YouTube, not great to mention, that's why I do not keep saying that, but you guys have been seriously very supportive. So keep supporting me. That helps me, that encourages me to draw every day and upload. That is what I will for sure do throughout Inktober and beyond that. So guys, please hit the like button if you like this drawing, if you like how I try to portray a storm for today's prompt. and please share it with your friends. I would love to reach out to more people, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, because I am a complete artist, so you will only see drawing. If you are interested in drawing challenges, drawing videos, different types of collaborations with artists, different drawings from comic drawings to realism to even this kind of illustrations, I do all of it. I try and do all of it. I take suggestions. So suggestions are also welcome in the comment section. So please keep commenting, keep supporting, and see you in the next video. Till tomorrow, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.